I'm going to start by lowering this lower glove box all the way down. Then you can grab this side, pull it out like this. It'll snap off of there, and then push this side in, bring it down, take it off the bottom hinge, and then if you just twist it, it falls off of here. Now you'll see this door over here. It's got a little tab on this side. Press it in, pull it out, and right here is your cabin air filter. Looks like someone did not install it properly because not only is it upside down, it's also sideways. So let's install it the right way. Now if you have a lot of debris sitting on top of it and it falls down into the blower motor, you're going to want to vacuum that up and clean it. You don't want debris in there. And so you'll see on the cabin air filter there's going to be an arrow that says airflow. Airflow goes down, so it comes in through the top, down into the blower motor, and then gets blown into your vents. So you want it to sit like this. All right, so slide it in with the text facing you, and then this door will have a hook on one side, and then it just presses into place. That's locked in. Let's get the glove box back. To get the glove box back, I'm going to hook it on to the bottom hooks, just like that. And then take this piston, pull it towards you. Now put it on and raise the glove box, latch it back into place. That works. So now bring it back down and put your belongings back in there.